Hello guys, so today I will show you how to evaluate the following integrals. So let's have problem number 1, the integral of cos cube x dx. So in this problem, ang una natin gagawin is i-convert natin siya into its equivalent function, which is equal to siya sa the integral of cos squared x times cos x dx. And then simplify natin. So since may equivalent function tong cos squared x, which is the quantity of 1 minus sine squared x times cos x dx. And then next natin gagawin is isa-substitute lang natin tong cos x dx dito sa loob ng quantity. So magiging the integral of cos x dx minus sine squared x cos x dx. And then next natin gagawin is isi-separate natin sila. So we have the integral of cos x dx minus the integral of sine squared x times cos x dx. And then simplify natin. So the integral of cos x dx is equivalent to sine x. So para ma-integrate to, so since balance na tong equation, so pwede na tayo mag-proceed for integrating sine squared x by using simple power formula. So the integral of sine squared x is equivalent to sine cube x over 3 plus c. So this is our final answer for problem number 1. So guys, let's proceed for problem number 2, the integral of cos raised to 7x dx. So in this case, ang una natin gagawin is i-convert natin siya into its equivalent function. So which is equal to siya sa the integral of cos squared x raised to 3 times cos x dx. And then simplify natin. So since may equivalent value tong cos squared x, which is the quantity of 1 minus sine squared x raised to 3 times cos x dx. And then next natin gagawin is maglelet u tayo. So ru for this is equivalent to sine x. And then r du, the derivative of sine x is equivalent to cos x dx. And then so our equation for this is equivalent to the quantity of 1 minus u raised to 3 times du. And then simplify natin tong equation na to. So we have the integral of 1 minus 3 u squared plus 3 u raised to 4 minus u raised to 6 times du. And then substitute lang natin tong du dito sa loob ng quantity. So magiging 1 du minus 3 u squared du plus 3 u raised to 4 du minus u raised to 6 du. And then simplify natin. So the integral of 1 du is equivalent to 1u. So u minus the integral of 3u squared du is equivalent to 3u cube over 3. So makakancel to. And then the integral of 3u raised to 4 du is equivalent to 3u raised to 5 over 5 minus the integral of u raised to 6, which equivalent to siya sa u raised to 7 plus c. And then, substitute lang natin yung value ng u dito sa ating equation na nakuha. So, ang magiging answer for this is sin x minus sin cube x plus 3 sin to the 5th x over 5 minus sin raised to 7x plus c. So, this is our final answer for problem number 2. So guys, let's proceed for problem number 3. The integral of dt all over the square root of 5 minus 16t squared. So in this problem, gagamit tayo ng arcsine equation which equals to du all over the square root of a squared minus u squared, which equals to siya sa arcsine times u over a plus c. So, first maglalat a squared tayo. Our a squared is equals to 5. And our u squared is equals to 16t squared. And our a is equals to square root of 5. And our u is equals to the square root of 16t squared, which equals to 40. And our du is equals to 4. The derivative of 40 is equals to 4 dt. And then, apply lang natin tong mga value na to dito sa equation ng arcsine, which equals to r du 4 dt all over the square root of a natin, which equals to square root of 5 squared minus u natin, which equals to 40 squared. And then, para mabalance tong equation na to, mag-multiply tayo ng 1/4. And then, apply na natin yung formula for arcsine. So, copy lang natin tong constant na 1/4 times arcsine times u over a, which equals to 40 over square root of 5 plus c. So, this is our final answer for problem number 3. So, let's proceed for problem number 4. The integral of y dy all over the square root of 25 minus 16y raised to 4. So, in this problem, gagamit tayo ulit ng arcsine equation, which equals to du all over square root of a squared minus u squared, which equals to arcsine times u over a plus c. So, una natin gagawin is maglalet a squared tayo. So, our a squared is equals to 25. And our u squared is equals to 16y raised to 4. And our a is equals to the square root of 25, which equals to 5. And our u is equals to the square root of 16y raised to 4, which equals to 4y squared. And our du is equals to the derivative of 4y squared, which equals to 8y dy. And then, apply natin to sa equation ng arcsine. So, du natin is equals to 8y dy all over the square root of a natin, which is 5. So, 5 squared minus u natin, 4y squared raised to 2. And then, So, para ma-balance tong equation na to, magmumultiply tayo dito ng 1 over 8. And then, apply na natin yung formula for arc sine. So, copy lang natin yung constant na 1 over 8 times arc sine times u over a, which equals to 4y squared all over 5 plus c. So, this is our final answer for problem number 4.